Your body has several levels of organization. The human body consists of all of these levels of organization combined. We will briefly introduce each level one at a time, starting with the chemical level. You'll see at the top left of your screen. The chemical level leads to the cellular level, which is followed by the tissue level, which is followed by the organ level, which is followed by the organ system level. These systems all work together to form the final level, the organismal level, which is your body. Looking at the chemical level more closely, this level is the simplest level of organization. Like all other things, your body is made of matter. The smallest units of matter are called atoms. These atoms are what make up the chemical level. Common atoms in living things include carbon, denoted by a capital C, hydrogen, capital H, oxygen, capital O, nitrogen, capital N, and phosphorus, a capital P. Atoms combine to form molecules, such as deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, the cell's genetic material. Molecules then combine in specific ways to form organelles. These organelles are the basic units of living cells. Cells are covered in a separate mini video. Cells are the basic structural and functional unit of any organism. Cells can vary widely in size and shape according to the cell's function. Remember that form and function are related. Now, your body has about 1 trillion cells. Although each cell must carry out the basic functions of life, most cells in your body are specialized to do one particular job. For example, the smooth muscle cells of the stomach can be stretched to accommodate a large meal. The tissue level is next, and the tissue level is made up of groups of cells and their surroundings that work together to perform a particular function. These surroundings around the cell are called intercellular substances. Inter just means between, cellular means referring to cells, so intercellular is the stuff that you find in between cells in a body. There are 4 types of tissues: epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, connective tissue, and nervous tissue. The next level is the organ level, which is made up of different groups of tissues joined together to form structures. These structures are called organs, and these work together to perform a specific function in the body. For example, using stomach from the last example, the stomach as a whole is called an organ. Your heart is another organ. What other examples of organs can you think of? The next step up in the level of organization is the organ system level. This system is made up of a group of organs that work closely together to accomplish a specific purpose. For example, your digestive system, sticking with that stomach theme, consists of your stomach, esophagus, the liver, pancreas, gallbladder, the large and small intestines. And the function of the digestive system specifically is to break down and absorb the food that you eat. Finally, the organismal level is the total of all previous levels working together to promote and sustain life. In anatomy and physiology, the organism is considered the highest level of organization. A separate mini video on the major organ systems introduces each one of these major organ systems. This concludes the mini video on the levels of organization in the human body.